What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about how one ad can change your whole entire life. And I know this to be true because once I got started and I started running ads for my credit repair company, my whole credit journey shifted. I went from not being able to pay my team, not being able to make enough sales, not being able to fund my disputes, not being able to get enough attention to my offer. This changed my whole credit journey because when I didn't have these ads, I was struggling because, I was just trying to post organically where Facebook and Instagram only showing my content to a certain amount of people. And this way back in 2019 when I first got started. And so I had to meet a guy that was running ads for credit repair, and he told me how to, get my ads approved. He told me how to, have people reaching out to me, raising their hands saying, hey, can you fix my credit? Hey, I'd like to book a call. Hey, can you message me? Hey, I just sent you an inbox. He took me from struggling to be able to know exactly how to run these ads. But I already had experience because I was running ads with e-commerce in the marketing agency. And so I thought I already knew exactly what to do. I had to take the skills that I learned from the e-commerce and the marketing agency and put that together with what he taught me to create this one ad that pretty much in this ad process that pretty much took me from zero to hero. The benefits of the ads is going to give you that attention that you need on your offer. And so the attention that you need on your offer is going to come from the ads. And then it's going to help you get more sales. It's going to help you be able to hire a better team. It's going to help you get better results for your clients because now you can send out the letters when you need to. You could, hire a better team that's going to perform better than your team that you probably got now or a team that you just plan on hiring. Once you get a better team and get better results, you can showcase those results inside the ad. And that's when you want to create a case study ad. That's when you want to create a testimonial ad. That's when you want to create educational ad so people can know exactly why they need to reach out to you. They can know exactly how you help people in the past before. And so I was thinking when I first got started, I'm like, what people asking me all the time, like, what if I can create an ad that can answer their questions before they come ask me? Because a lot of people want to know, like, have you helped somebody out in the past? Why it's important to get a home loan? Why it's important to get a auto loan through having better credit, And so just educating people, letting them know how to save money on a home loan, save money through an auto loan, how to save money on getting your collections deleted. Those little tips and stuff like that, if you let people know these things, they start to see you as an authority. And then you can take that and rinse and repeat this to other clients that need your help as well. In this journey, we have to figure out like what type of ad framework that can help us do all of these things in one so we can start going out here to promote our company and start getting more attention on the offer that we are offering. And so we came up with the ad framework with having an opening hook, which is attention grabbing statement or a question to draw in the audience, and then sharing client success stories. And so that's the second thing. You got the opening hook, then you got the showcasing the success stories. So showcasing real life testimonials and letting them know that you successfully repaired other credit repair people before them. All right. Then you want to let them know that you know they failures. You know how I feel to get denied for a credit card. You know how I feel to get denied for a home or auto loan. Then you reveal some more results for them. So results is the fourth one. You reveal more results for them so they can know like this person was struggling with this. Then they came to us and we helped fix their credit, and they was tired. They was getting denied as well, just like you is. They was getting denied. And then look, this what happened. We was able to get them inside the home. So now you back on the results phase, and then you make your claim of like, hey, making the claim is making a bold statement about how effective this process is. And so if you can make that claim about how effective your process is after you showed them results, you talk about the past failures, you gave other success stories, and you had the attention grabbing hook. If you make that claim, You pretty much got it right there. Now all you gotta do is tell them how to reach out to you, which is the sixth one is your call to action. So now you got the opening hook, you got the client success stories, you got the past failures, you got the results, you got the claim, and now you got the call to action telling them to book a call or follow you. That's what we do. DM you. So if you can do all those things inside your ad, that's going to take you to a level to where now people are seeing you more often, and now they are pretty much knowing exactly like, okay, this person might be able to help me. And so now that's what you do at the top of the funnel. Now, if you go on down to the middle of the funnel, that's when you start going into, making sure you nurture the attention that you're getting. And so with that being said, you can check out my other videos and know exactly like, how to nurture your leads correctly and stuff like that. But if you focus on creating this one ad and using this ad framework, then you should be good to go, because you should already start having a lot of attention start coming to you, to where you can start converting that attentions and having more conversation, more leads coming in the pipeline, and more sales being done in that case, to where you can start, getting better results for your team, making more money, and then just rinsing and repeating it, because, now you got the results to show. Now you can show more case studies, in your ads. Now you can show more, testimonials and stuff like that clients are giving you, and so, yeah, if you can do that, that ad right there will change your whole credit journey, just like it did for me. I started running my ad. I knew exactly how to do the testimonials, how to show, the deletions and different things like that. And once I started running that as an ad, people started just pouring in. They started pouring in because they were seeing like, hey, this guy might actually know what he's talking about. And then once they got in to my top of the funnel, I just had to nurture them and let them know, yeah, I'm the only guy that's going to get these results for you. Yeah, so once I did that, that changed my whole credit journey. And that took me, like I said, from zero to hero. And so if you can do that, you can change your life with that one ad.